Okay, so I want to give you my first thoughts and impressions. I just unboxed this. This is just day one for me as a Pampered Chef consultant. Just took this out of a box, put it up on here, and I kind of want to talk about it a little bit. It costed $100 for this kit to be signed up as a consultant, and let's see what's in it. Let's start with, come on down here. We got ourselves here a garlic press. Something I thought was kind of neat on this. A little brush to get in there, and if you know anything about garlic, it likes to stick, but you'll be able to poke that garlic right out of there. So that was pretty neat. Looks like we got ourselves here a citrus press. So we'll be able to squeeze some lemons and limes coming up. I believe this was a salad shooter of some kind. If you can see, it's a dual bladed, and you'll be able to get in there and cut up some salad. That'll be kind of fun. This is probably the Showcase Showdown, the big product that a lot of people will buy just to get this. This is a 12-inch cast iron skillet. Looks like it comes pre-seasoned. I haven't cooked on it yet. There will be videos coming to that. It does appear that you get a little pan scraper. Hopefully that'll be seasoned up good and we won't have a lot of sticking. You have a Southwest seasoning mix here. You have the cup and slicer. I already had this one. We'll be able to demonstrate. I'm looking forward to strawberry season coming up. We're already there. A lot of strawberries in the grocery store. Slice those strawberries right up. Looks like we have a little cutting board here, a spatula, some adjustable measuring spoons. I've wanted this one for a long time. Like, that's going to be nice. It's the Pampered Mix and Chop, but I did notice that had a little indent right there for you to get after it. So we will be chopping up some hamburger with that. This was a large kitchen tongs. Nice little hook right there. Something else I have wanted for a long time, and I just never have bought or pulled the string, the Pampered Chef coated knives. The first thought on that, it's going to be very sharp. Should be fun to use. I am looking forward to that. I get that in there without cutting myself. It did come with it came with the apron, and it comes with some recipe books, some I guess you call them some salesman samples. You can hand them out, different things like that. And then there's this guy. I have tried to order this thing about 5 times, and every party that I've attended, they keep selling out. So hopefully we won't have that problem. We've got the supply chain better. But this guy is going to appear in a lot of videos. This is the, what do we call this thing? I already forgot the name. I'm excited about it. It is the, oh goodness night almighty, the Rapid Prep Mandolin, I believe is what they call it. I'm not going to show everything that this does, but my brain is having fun with what this is going to do. And I will say, guys, we're going to enjoy this because we do a lot of outdoor cooking on the Blackstones and whatnot, and prep is everything before you go out to the grill. This is going to make your life a whole lot easier. So all this costed $100. I think it took about 4 days to get here. It was shipped out of Illinois. I live here in Columbus, Kansas. Actually, it showed up Saturday. I was gone, so it took really about 2 days. It was very quick shipping. So once you pull the string, become a consultant, this comes very, very quickly. All this for $100. And then certainly you have the rights and the ability to be able to host parties and sell Pampered and make some extra income for yourself if you like. This is what you get for $100. My first thoughts and impression is very much value. Like, I got a significant amount of value here, far in excess of what I don't know what the retail of this is. I should probably know that. Lots to learn. This retails well over $100. So it was a great discount. Comes in a couple of days. Gives you the ability to sell it or not, if whatever. But this is what you get. I'm very happy. I'm pleased. Good investment for me. I hope it'll be a good investment for you. If you would like to become a Pampered Chef consultant, I'd love to have you on my team. This is a $100 kit. I'll show you how to get into it, and we'll have some fun together. And with that, would you like to join my team?